Welcome to this tutorial on PineScript. If you are interested in technical analysis and want to create your own indicators or trading strategies, then this guide will help you get started. PineScript is a domain-specific programming language created by TradingView. It is used to develop custom indicators and trading strategies that run on the TradingView platform. This scripting language is designed to be simple, making it accessible even for beginners who have no prior coding experience. PineScript is mainly used for technical analysis, helping traders automate their chart studies and trading decisions. It enables users to customize indicators, create alerts, and develop trading strategies that fit their needs. With PineScript, traders can analyze price movements, incorporate various mathematical functions, and use built-in indicators to enhance their trading decisions. Additionally, PineScript allows for the backtesting of trading strategies, enabling traders to evaluate the effectiveness of their ideas before executing them in live markets. The language supports multiple timeframes, making it flexible for traders who analyze different market conditions. Whether you are looking to modify existing indicators, create new ones, or automate trading signals, PineScript provides a powerful and user-friendly environment to bring your strategies to life. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a solid understanding of PineScript's fundamental concepts, syntax, and how to apply it effectively to improve your trading approach. Let's get started. PineScript runs directly in TradingView. Unlike general-purpose programming languages, it does not require an external environment or setup. You can write and execute PineScript code within the TradingView platform. This makes it convenient because users do not need to install additional software or dependencies. The scripts are executed on TradingView's servers, meaning they are optimized for performance and speed. PineScript is designed with a structure that simplifies coding. It is lightweight and specifically built for working with price data and indicators. This means that the language is not used for general programming, but is specialized in financial market analysis. To start writing PineScript, you need to access the TradingView platform. TradingView provides a built-in editor where you can write, modify, and execute your scripts. The editor can be found by opening the TradingView chart and clicking on the Pine Editor tab at the bottom of the screen. Once you open the Pine Editor, you can immediately start writing your script. A PineScript program begins with a version declaration, which specifies which version of PineScript is being used. The latest version at the time of this tutorial is version 5, and it must be defined at the beginning of the script. This ensures that the script is compatible with the most recent features and functions of PineScript. After defining the version, you can write the rest of the script according to your needs. PineScript allows users to create custom indicators, strategies, and alerts that enhance technical analysis. It provides built-in functions for analyzing market data, visualizing trends, and setting up trading conditions. One of the key advantages of PineScript is its simplicity. Even traders with little to no programming experience can quickly learn how to develop custom indicators and automate trading strategies. With PineScript, you can define specific rules for analyzing price movements, apply mathematical calculations, and display relevant information on your TradingView charts. As you become more comfortable with PineScript, you can explore additional features such as setting alerts, combining multiple indicators, and testing different trading strategies. The TradingView platform makes it easy to modify and experiment with scripts, allowing traders to fine-tune their analysis and improve decision-making. PineScript has two primary types of scripts: indicators and strategies. Indicators are used for technical analysis, helping traders visualize data on the chart and identify potential trading opportunities. They display useful information such as trend direction, momentum, volatility, and market conditions. Commonly used indicators include moving averages, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, and Bollinger Bands. PineScript allows traders to create custom indicators tailored to their specific trading styles and analytical needs, providing more flexibility than built-in indicators. Strategies, on the other hand, are designed for back-testing trading ideas. Unlike indicators, which only provide visual guidance, strategy scripts execute buy and sell orders based on predefined conditions. This allows traders to test their strategies against historical market data to evaluate their effectiveness before applying them in live trading. By analyzing past performance, traders can identify potential weaknesses, adjust their parameters, and improve their trading strategies. While indicators assist in market analysis by highlighting trends and signals, strategies help traders automate decision-making and assess profitability. Together, they provide a powerful toolkit for traders looking to enhance their trading precision and efficiency. Creating an indicator in PineScript involves defining how data is calculated and displayed on the chart. A basic indicator script includes setting the version, defining an input source, applying calculations, and plotting the result. The most common function used in PineScript for creating indicators is the plot function. This function allows you to visualize data directly on the chart. For example, if you want to display a simple moving average, you can use the Simple Moving Average function, which calculates the moving average over a specified period. The result is then plotted using the plot function. Inputs can be added to allow users to customize the indicator parameters without modifying the script code. The input function is used to create adjustable parameters. This makes the indicator more flexible, allowing traders to experiment with different settings easily. Another useful feature in PineScript is the plot shape function, which allows traders to add symbols on the chart based on specific conditions. This function is particularly useful for highlighting key market events, such as price crossing above or below a moving average, trend reversals, or overbought and oversold conditions. By placing visual markers directly on the chart, traders can quickly identify important signals without manually scanning for them. In addition to plot shape, PineScript also provides the plot bar and plot candle functions. The plot bar function enables the creation of custom bar visuals, allowing traders to modify the appearance of price bars based on unique conditions. Meanwhile, the plot candle function is useful for displaying custom candlestick patterns, making it easier to recognize specific formations such as doji, engulfing candles, or pin bars. These functions offer a high level of customization, allowing traders to develop indicators that align with their specific trading strategies. By using these visualization tools effectively, traders can enhance their technical analysis, improve decision-making, and gain deeper insights into market behavior. To enhance the functionality of an indicator, PineScript provides a variety of built-in functions for working with price data, mathematical operations, and logical conditions. These functions enable traders to perform complex calculations and automate decision-making within their scripts. One of the fundamental aspects of PineScript is working with price data. The built-in functions high, low, close, and open represent different price points within each bar on the chart. These values are essential for calculating indicators, identifying trends, and setting up trading conditions. PineScript also includes mathematical functions to manipulate data effectively. Functions like maximum, minimum, and absolute value help traders refine their calculations. For example, a trader might use the maximum function to compare the highest price between two periods, or apply the absolute value function to measure price differences regardless of direction. Apart from creating indicators, PineScript allows you to develop complete trading strategies. A strategy script is similar to an indicator script, but includes additional functionality for executing trades. This makes it possible to not only analyze market conditions, but also automate trading decisions. The key function used in a strategy script is the strategy function, which defines the strategy name, initial capital, and execution settings. This function helps traders configure their strategy parameters before running backtests or live trading simulations. Strategies use the strategy entry function, strategy exit function, and strategy close function to place and manage trades. The strategy entry function is used to open a position when a predefined condition is met, such as a price breakout or a moving average crossover. The strategy exit function determines when to close a position, ensuring that trades are exited at appropriate times based on strategy rules. Additionally, the strategy close function allows traders to close an open position based on specific conditions, offering greater control over trade management. By utilizing these strategy functions, traders can test different market approaches, optimize their trading performance, and evaluate historical data to refine their strategies. PineScript's ability to automate trade execution and backtest strategies makes it a valuable tool for traders looking to enhance their decision-making process. A simple trading strategy can be created using moving averages. You can define conditions where a long position is entered when a short-term moving average crosses above a long-term moving average. Similarly, a short position can be entered when the short-term moving average crosses below the long-term moving average. The results of the strategy can be visualized on the TradingView chart. TradingView provides a built-in strategy tester tool that allows you to analyze the performance of your script. The tool provides detailed reports on profit loss and trade statistics, helping traders refine their strategies. One of the powerful features of PineScript is its ability to generate alerts. Alerts notify traders when certain conditions are met, allowing them to stay informed without constantly monitoring charts. This feature is especially useful for identifying trade opportunities in real time. The alert condition function is used to create alert triggers. When the specified condition in the alert condition function is met, TradingView sends a notification to the user. This helps traders react quickly to market movements without having to manually check price charts. PineScript also supports custom alert messages using the alert function. This provides greater flexibility in defining alert signals by allowing traders to customize the message that appears when an alert is triggered. With this functionality, traders can receive detailed notifications tailored to their specific strategies, improving efficiency and decision-making. By utilizing alerts in PineScript, traders can automate their market monitoring process, ensuring they never miss important trading signals. PineScript supports advanced features such as working with multiple time frames, referencing other indicators, and using user-defined functions. These capabilities allow traders to create more sophisticated and efficient trading scripts. Multiple time frames can be accessed using the security function, enabling traders to analyze price data from different time frames within the same script. This is useful for strategies that rely on higher time frame confirmation while executing trades on a lower time frame. By incorporating data from multiple time frames, traders can gain a broader perspective on market trends. Referencing other indicators allows you to combine multiple technical indicators into a single script. This helps in developing more comprehensive trading strategies by integrating various forms of analysis, such as momentum and trend-following indicators, into one unified approach. TradingView provides extensive documentation and community support for PineScript. The PineScript reference manual is available on the TradingView website, offering detailed explanations of functions and syntax. Additionally, the TradingView community is an excellent resource where traders share scripts ideas and best practices. Learning from existing scripts can help you understand how different functions work and how to improve your coding skills. Mastering PineScript requires practice. Start with simple scripts and gradually move to more complex indicators and strategies. Experiment with different functions, test your scripts using the TradingView strategy tester, and refine your code based on the results. Understanding PineScript opens up opportunities for customizing your trading analysis and automating decision-making processes. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, PineScript provides the flexibility to create indicators and strategies tailored to your specific needs. If you're diving into PineScript and mastering TradingView, you're already on the path to becoming a smarter trader. But here's the thing, you'll want the best tools to make the most of your strategies. TradingView is the ultimate platform for charting, analysis, and automation. And right now, you can get started with an exclusive $15 discount using my link. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this is your chance to access premium features at a fraction of the cost. Ready to take your trading to the next level? Click the link in the description to claim your discount and start using TradingView today.